Lucas from Lucas World, and this is my baby sister Vivian. We just received this parcel from Jupiter Creations, and inside there are all new toys called Bbuddieez. There are 26 to collect, and they're a combination of Shopkins, marbles, and Pandora bracelets. You can collect them, play with them, trade them, and even wear them. Cool, right? We received 3 packs and 3 blind bags with Bbuddieez, so let's check them out. Let's start with this bracelet pack with 5 Bbuddieez. This pack comes with 5 Bbuddieez, including 2 mysterious ones. Also a collectible wristband. On the back it shows all 26 Bbuddieez you can collect, and they're all from different countries so you can learn about their culture. So here come our 5 Bbuddieez and our bracelet. Now let's get them out. And it looks like we already opened a secret one. Ooh, well, let's get the other ones out. So here are our first 5 Bbuddieez. The first Buddy is Appenstein. The second Buddy is Ririo. This third Buddy is Natashka. Sounds like a Russian buddy. This is King the Sixth. He's a Viking buddy. And finally, it's Mia Tuito. Sounds like a Bbuddie from Japan. Now we can stick them on this bracelet. So let's do it. There you go, Natashka. So here's the bracelet with the Bbuddieez. It also says Bbuddieez on the bracelet, which is pretty cool. And now Vivi can wear it. There you go, Vivi. Beautiful.
Wow, amazing. Hey, look, who's throwing it?
Thumbs up? Yep.
The pumpkin.
Alright, let's move on and get the second pack. This time it only has 3 Bbuddieez and it has a storage. This is a Bbuddieez storage ball that comes with a clip so you can hang it on your backpack, for instance. Now let's check our Bbuddieez. Now let's check out the secret one. Oh my goodness, it's gold! That must be really special.
Cool.
So here are our 3 new Bbuddieez. And here's the storage ball. And you can storage 9 Bbuddieez inside. So here are all 8 Bbuddieez we have so far. Now let's check this last Bbuddie pack. This is a Bbuddieez Storage House. It also comes with 3 Bbuddieez, including 1 mysterious one. And there are 2 play sets or storage houses you can get. The ice cream store, which we got in this pack, and the cafe. Now let's check out these Bbuddieez. I wonder what kind of Bbuddieez we got. Let's check out the secret one. We got Sparky again! Cool! Well, we got another golden figure. And here are our other 2. Blayberry and Zombit. You can also open a window and a door. Now let's open these blind bags. Inside there are 2 Bbuddieez and 2 trading cards. And on the back, it shows you all 26 Bbuddieez you can get. Alright, let's do it. Alright, here are the 2 trading cards. Appenstein and Ririo. And here are our 2 Bbuddieez. Ririo and Appenstein. Alright, now let's open this other blind bag. Alright. Here are our Bbuddieez and trading cards. We got Tsunama and Panda Painta. And here's the last blind bag. So let's cut it open. Well, we got the same type of trading cards and Bbuddieez. Well, at least it's better than nothing. So here are our all Bbuddieez that we got from Jupiter Creations. Now Vivian can go to preschool with her new Bbuddieez. Hanging on her shoes, stucking on her bracelet and pencil, and traveling with her backpack. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Open. Whoa, I'm missing.